Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page in this weekend edition, November the 4th, 2023. And in this weekend edition, we have here 6 extra puzzles, 2 Sudokus with 3 stars, 1 Kayla Sudoku. We have here 2 binaries 10 by 10 and 1 jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. I won't do them all. 4 of them I will solve, and the first one I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku. By the way, there's in this newspaper no extra puzzles, no additional. So for tomorrow, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of these this puzzle page. I will do here 4, so 2 are left, so I will do those 2 for tomorrow, but also the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. And in the evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku. But right now, this 3 stars Sudoku number 7389. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26. Same as in the afternoon. The regular puzzle has also 26 printed digits. Should be a 2 stars puzzle instead of 3 stars, but it's indicated with 3 stars. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes to solve. We'll see if this is a 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column. No 1 in these 2 boxes here, 1 in this row. No 1 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be here. 8. Alright, and now 1 1 2 2 4. Need a 7 here. Need a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 4 4. Need a 2 here. 2 in this column, 2 in this second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 4, I need 1. Yeah, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes here. 1 in the second column. No 1 in that box, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. The 9, the 7, and the 4. 4 4. Need a 1 here. Need 1 there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 1. We have here 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this big square, so no 1 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and 4 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and 4, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this column, so no 1 and 4 in this box. 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. Mm-hmm. 9. Need a 9 here. I need a 5 here. 1, 4, 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 9. Here can be 9 because we have 9 in this row. No 9 there. And this is reserved for the 1 and the 4. So one box left in this column should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this big square. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left. I've eliminated the 4 there. So the 4 should be here. 1, 1, need a 1 here. 5 here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. Hey, hij is al vertrokken.
Nee. Oh ja.
So 5 in this column, so no 5 there, so the only place left for the 5 should be there, yes. Okay, 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 5, could be here, could be there. 5, 5, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these, 3 boxes. Here 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So we need a 5 here, 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright, and now. These 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 and 9 in this column, so no 8 and 9 in this box. 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, 3. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. That means 1 digit left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 in the first row. 4 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 in the row above, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Right, 9 minutes already passed. 3, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. That means that we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be 7 anymore. That box should be 7 and this box should be an 8. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in the third row? For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 in the first column. 7 in the third column. So the column between. And the second column, the only place left with 7 should be there. Then. Let me see. 1 and 3. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be in, and 1 goes there. 3 in the last row. 3 in a row above. So that row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, first column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here, 1 in second row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 1's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. Okay, and now 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 and a 7, we have a 7 now in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left. 2 boxes left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, is this a 3 stars? No. 3 stars, 2 stars? No. 1 star? Not. It's a 0 stars. I'm faster than 50 minutes. I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.